Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today I'm going to be making mashed potato casserole. For that I'm going to need a pound of bacon crumbled, about 2 cups of parmesan cheese shredded, a cup of heavy cream, 2 cups of Monterey Jack cheese, a small container of sour cream, which is approximately about a cup, a sprinkle of green onions or chives, a container of French fried onions, some melted butter, and a little extra for the dish. And then, of course, 3 to 4 potatoes, mashed after you cook them. But they're already over in our pot, so we better go check them out. Now I've just got done mashing our potatoes. I'm going to be adding in the buttercream. They're giving that a really good stir. I'll add in my bacon, about half of the cheese, and container of sour cream. I'm going to be adding in a generous sprinkle of our French onions and then saving some for the topping. And when it's done, it'll look pretty soupy, but actually smells really good. And we're going to be transferring that to a baking dish that I've already pre-buttered. Okay, my oven is preheating to 375, and this is where I'm going to add the remainder of the cheese for our topping. As much as the Parmesan as you would like. Put the rest of the crispy onions. Last but not least, put a sprinkle of those chives or green onions, whatever you have chosen to use. This is going to go into the oven for the next 30 minutes. And after the 30 minutes is up, it'll be bubbly and brown like so. Now we're going to let it reach room temperature and try it on out. Okay, best parts here. It is time to taste our mashed potato casserole. I can't wait to try this out, so without further ado, let's go. Well, this is definitely a good repeat recipe. I enjoy everything in it. I taste a lot of the cheese in it. Anyway, if you have any thoughts, that I did, don't like what I did, things like that, leave me a comment, and I will see you in our next one.